So Linus just released a phone number on Twitter that anyone can call into, and they can have the opportunity to get personal tech support from Linus himself. This number, when you call in, is supposed to have like a very hilarious automated phone system for you to get through the directory and stuff. So I'm calling in just for fun. I don't have anything that I actually need tech support with, and I'd rather it go to somebody else. He wants us to upload videos so that we can be in his video. Okay, I think I got through. It's ringing at least. I'm gonna try again.
Thank you for calling.
Hey, there we go.
Tech. Please listen carefully as our menu options have recently changed. For TechWiki, press...
Oh! Just hung up on me. Seems like you can spend all day doing this, which I don't have all day to spend on, so we'll just try a couple more times. But I've called a total of, let's see, 39 times so far. 3 of which were kind of a
Thank you for
bust.
calling Linus Tech. Most inquiries can be addressed online by visiting www.lttstore.com.
This sound quality, is this supposed to happen?
English, press 1.
It was not like this earlier. I'm very curious if that was supposed to be like this. Like if they have different versions playing with horrible...
Please listen carefully as our menu options have recently changed.
And they just hung up on me. Okay, so that had to have been planned. Well, that's about it. I've gone through quite a few of the options. It takes a little bit to get through them, and I'm sure going down the other different paths might have different solutions, but the fact that a lot of the times it just keeps on ringing or going to busy tones, I don't have the patience to keep trying other options. But I got through after, so I did a total of 43 calls. I got through about 5 or so times, and then the first 3 were a bust though, but that was a little fun. I'm curious to see what the final video is going to be and how Linus uses everyone's submitted videos. But yeah, other than that, if you didn't get a chance to do it, you just kind of hopefully got a little bit of the experience of watching me do it right here. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.